earthly rewards tatanggapin natin. Pero, pag worldly blessing, meaning heavy consequences ang matatanggap natin. Tawag natin sa sabi, Kristyano ako eh. Tandaan po natin, ang sowing and reaping principles is not just only applied through giving. In everything what we do, para maintindihan natin, anong gagawin natin, pag giving, down. Sino nag-roll doon? Si Jesus. Unahin natin si Jesus. Alam mo mga kapatid, baka maraming taon nahuhuli si Jesus. It's about perfect time right now to make Jesus first in your life. Kaya hindi aksidente na naupo ka dyan, napakinggan mo ang katuruan na ito, pangangaral na ito ngayon. Hindi po aksidente. It's a right, perfect time for you and for me, for us, holy people of God, that what you hear and give